Hey guys, welcome back. So we are on lesson 20 and this is page 43 and I'm going to go ahead and do the first thing we always do, which is put our name right up here in the corner. If you've already done that, good job. If not, go ahead and do it right on the line. All right, so we are going to look here. This is a test 2. So this means that I'm not going to walk you through each of the assignments. I'm just going to tell you what you're doing and then you're going to do it all by yourself. So right here, number 1, it says count the groups of tens by 10. Count the ones. Write the number. So these are those 10 rods, right? So you're going to count by 10 right here. And then you're going to count the ones and you're going to write what number you come up with right here. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Count the tens, count the ones, and write the number right here. And then right here, you're going to do the same thing. So this right here, these ones go together, okay? What's in this box goes together. And then these over here are their own, okay? So go ahead and push pause, come up with your numbers, and then come back when you're ready for number 2. Okay, so if you're back with me, you're right here on number 2 where it says write the numbers in the blanks. Okay, so what you're doing here is you're figuring out how many tens are in this number, in the number 18. How many tens are there? Okay, and you put it here. Then you say how many ones are there, and you put it here. And then this is when we pull those numbers apart. That's what we're writing here, okay? This is that when we pull them apart and we stretch them apart. So go ahead and do that, and then do it for the number 42 and the number 69. Push pause, do those, and come back when you're ready for number 3. Make sure you push pause and do them, okay? Now, if you're back with me, it means you're ready to make tally marks for each object. Okay, so you're going to count the fish and you're going to write the tally marks in here that match. Then you're going to count the frogs and write the tally marks. And then you're going to count the dragonflies and write the tally marks. Okay? And when you're done with that, you will come back to me. So push pause and come back to me. All right, so if you are back with me, you'll notice that I turned the page. And I'm on page 44 now. My name's up here at the top, and I'm on number 4. And what you're doing is you're going to draw a line to match the word number and number. So if you see this number, you know this number is 4. You're trying to figure out which word matches. And they did an example here. They drew a line from the number 6 to the 6, right? Okay, so you're going to do the same thing with this 4, 7, 3, and 10. Now, if you are having a hard time reading these words, think about the first letter and what number matches, right? So the word 4 has a F, so you can figure out which word it is, okay? Push pause, and you're going to do this box, and you're going to match this box, and then come back when you're ready for down here. All right. If you didn't do it, go back and push pause. Okay? All right, but if you're back with me, we're on number 5, which is we're going to write their alligator symbols, right? And the alligator eats the bigger number. So right in here, go ahead and do your alligator symbol. Which one is bigger? Which one's smaller? Then do it here and do it here. Now, if you need a few more minutes to do that, go ahead and push pause and do it. But if you're ready to keep going, come down here to number 6, and now you're going to add the one side and compare it to this side. And all we're doing is equal or not equal. You're not doing great, you're not doing alligator signs, you're just doing equal or not equal. Does when you add these two numbers together, is it the same as this number or is it different? If it's different, you cross it off, right? And then do the same thing here and the same thing here. Push pause and come back when you're ready for number 7. Okay, so if you're back with me, you are count by 2s, write the number that comes between. So when you have 16, then you add 2 more, the number goes here. When you add 2 more, you get this number. Okay, so what number goes right in here? All right, And then same thing here, you're at 34, you add 2, what number goes in here? And then you add 2 and you get 38. And when you're at 50 and you add 2, what number goes here? And then when you add 2 more, you get 54. It's okay to take your time. It's okay to go get your hundreds chart. It's okay to pause on this and take a breath, okay? Don't feel rushed just because I'm talking faster or I'm moving on, okay? Push pause, that's why you have a pause, and come back when you're ready. And if you're ready, then we're on here on number 5s. And yes, you can use your hundreds chart for this, okay? If you're at 15 and you add 5, what's the next 5? So count by 5s. That's your 5, 10, okay? Count by 5s. Then you're at 40 and you add a 5. And you're at 75 and you add a 5. Okay? So if you need to go back and do either of these 2 pages, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.